going through B, which is, let me write it nicely. B, okay. Choose a new crayon. So it's going to be, propane, 2-yle. So it's propanol, but it's at position 2. And it is benzene. So it's propanol, benzene. So what am I going to do? Put your benzene ring, please. Put your benzene ring, please. But remember, this time they don't want it just like that. We would put it like this. Okay? And like this. Goes down, goes down. They all come together to this one location here. Okay? So yes, here I've put my benzene ring like this. You always leave a space. So you put somewhere and you leave a space. Now, on position 2, that is when I have, not on position 2, but on position 2 of the propanol, okay? So propanol, remember that it is a 3-carbon chain.